Welcome back. Got my inspector hat on today, and we are going to look at another 4-point issue for 4-point Friday. And on the 4-point, one of the questions is, are there any plumbing leaks? And as you can see down here, let's turn that camera around. The floor is wet, and there is dripping water up underneath the sink. Let's see if I can get a light on there for you. I don't know if you can see the drip or not, but it's definitely leaking. So it looks like they may just have to change out the sink faucet here and get that one fixed. So another 4-point tip, fix all your plumbing leaks. Thanks for watching.